Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a simple wearable glam look. So first I'm going to moisturize with avocado gel. Secondly, I'm going to apply my foundation. This is a gel foundation by Avon and I'm going to dot it all over my face and then blend it with a beauty blender which is damp, and I'm going to keep blending until it is perfectly blended. Then I'm going to apply my concealer. I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on my nose and on my chin, as well as the middle part of my forehead, and then contour my cheeks. Then I'm going to blend this out with a beauty blender. Now that everything is perfectly blended, I'm also going to apply it on my forehead and then blend it again. Then I'm going to shape my brows and put them in place. As you can see, I'm doing this. I'll do this to both of my brows, and this technique works really well for me. Then I'll apply concealer as my eyeshadow base and I'll blend it out. So blending it out perfectly will give you a nice base. Then I will use a setting powder to set my base so that there aren't any creases, and I'm going to spread it evenly. Then I'm going to take my Wonder Woman Sugar palette and take the matte shade, which is a warm brownish shade, and apply it over my crease. So first I used this applicator, but I didn't really like it, so then I shifted and used my brush. I'm using the same color here to deepen my crease. I really like these eyeshadows because they were really pigmented and I didn't really have to work with them a lot, so I definitely enjoyed using them. After that, I took the champagne glitter and I used my fingers to apply it on my lid, and these also applied beautifully and looked gorgeous. And then I completed both of my eyes, and this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to set my face with loose powder. I don't bake my face, but I press the powder into my skin. So I do this technique over my entire face because I have oily to combination skin type. Then I'm going to take the blush from the same Wonder Woman mixed palette and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And this blush is also super pigmented and looks really nice. And then I'm also going to apply it on the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to take some of the highlighter on my fingers and then apply it on my cheekbones to add some definition as well as shine. Then I'm going to take a gel pot eyeliner. This is from Swiss Beauty, and then I'm going to do a simple wing. As you can see here, I have completed. Then I'm going to spray my beauty blender with setting spray and I'm going to dab it all over my face. So instead of spraying it over my face, I use this technique because it sets the makeup really well, and also it prevents it from looking cakey. Then I'm going to take this Maybelline nude lipstick and apply it on my lips, and this is the finished look. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.